My name's Yunusa Aminu. I'm a consultant for Gregory Jones Consultants. We provide consultancy services worldwide. We do FM consultancy, asset management, service charge cost modeling. What happens is you see a lot of FM companies on a downward race, who can bid the cheapest to get the contract. And a lot of companies tend to get rid of their in-house resources, like when it comes to cleaning services, and they engage in manpower supply and bringing in the cheapest labor, and that has an impact on the quality of service that's delivered on projects. So you find projects with a lot of heads on the ground which don't know what they're supposed to do, or don't know the level of service that they are contracted to provide. So there's a challenge with that.